see where this hoof is actually growing out around the shoe. It's actually growing right around the top of the shoe.
And that's about 3 months worth of growth, and it's way too long.
It makes this horse uncomfortable. I'm sure he wasn't happy.
Okay, so now you remove this shoe, and we see again more of the black.
Along that hoof wall's growing out there.
Can you put your thumb on it? So
you got all this out here that's growing out too long.
When you trim off the hoof like that, I mean, obviously you've looked at the horse's leg to see how it falls, and you have an idea how you're going to balance this foot up before you even start nipping.
Basically, you're looking at what don't belong there, what doesn't look like a foot. So you're trimming down to that sole. And at this point, balance is kind of secondary because you got to get all the extra growth out of there and see what you got left. Sometimes you get it trimmed down there, and if it's really out of whack, the horse isn't growing right. You may have to take you a couple trims to get it evened up and get him traveling straight again.
So this right here is one of the reasons that we recommend an every 6-week trim, because you catch some of this stuff before it happens.
Lucky for this horse, he moves pretty straight anyway, so his foot grew down straight. There's some of them that the hoof walls will just collapse and it'll grow off to one side or the other.
Can you talk a little bit about how the frog is in this hoof and how it aligns up?
See how that's all rotted away? At one time you had a fungus in there that ate that all up. Now we got to get that cleaned up. So that heel's moving. See how he's sore?
Yeah.
So we got to get a little thrush medicine down in there and get that growing good again. Shoe will help.